Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authorize Arlo cameras with Alexa, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Arlo camera is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Download the Arlo app on your smartphone if you haven't done so already. Create an Arlo account or log in to your existing account within the app. Next, ensure that you have the Amazon Alexa app installed on your smartphone. Log into your Amazon account within the Alexa app. Once logged in, tap on the device's icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Choose Camera from the list of device categories. Now, look for Arlo in the list of camera brands and select it. You will be prompted to enable the Arlo skill. Tap on Enable Skill to start the process. The app will redirect you to a login page for your Arlo account. Enter your Arlo account credentials to link the two services. Once logged in, you will receive a confirmation that the accounts are linked. Return to the Alexa app and select Devices again. Tap on Cameras, and your Arlo camera should now appear in the list of devices. Select your Arlo camera for more settings and options. You can now use voice commands with Alexa to control your Arlo camera. Try saying, "Alexa, show me the front door camera," as a test. If your Arlo camera responds, setup is complete. Ensure both the Arlo and Alexa apps are updated regularly for optimal performance. Your Arlo cameras are now authorized with Alexa, allowing for seamless control and monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.